Imagine you wake up tomorrow, and someone hands you $1,000. What would you do? Buy the latest gadget? Go on a trip? What if I told you that same $1,000 could be the seed to your future wealth? And you don't need to be a Wall Street genius to make it happen. Today, we're breaking down safe investments, stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, with strategies that are fresh, 2025 ready, and perfect for beginners. Meet Alex. Alex lives in New York. He works a 9 to 5, rents an apartment, and has exactly $1,000 to invest in 2025. Now here's the twist. Alex isn't jumping into the stock market right away. First, he's setting the stage. Why? Because the smartest investors know. The first investment is protection, not profit. For Alex, that means: number 1. Paying off high-interest debt. If you've got a credit card charging 15% interest, that's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. Number 2. Creating a mini emergency fund. Just $300 in a high-yield savings account earning 4 to 5% a year buys peace of mind. With those done, he's got $700 left. Now, we move to growth. Not all investments are risky. Some are slow, steady, and that's exactly what beginners need. Here are 3 easy, safe places to park your money. High-yield savings accounts, 4 to 5% annual return, with your money always accessible. Government bonds and T-bills. In the U.S., a 6-month T-bill in 2025 pays about 5.2%. Robo-advisors, like Betterment or Wealthfront, they invest for you, automatically, in a balanced portfolio. Safe investments are like the seatbelt in your car. You hope you don't need it, but it's there to protect you when the ride gets bumpy. Now, let's talk about growing your money faster. Instead of gambling on random stocks, look for companies with strong research and development spending, growing revenue per share, and consistent earnings growth. The easiest way? ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Beginner favorites for 2025 include Tech Innovators ETF, for AI, cloud computing, and clean energy. Healthcare Innovation ETF, populations in Tier 1 countries are aging, meaning steady demand. Dividend Aristocrats ETF, companies that have paid and grown dividends for decades. For Alex, $400 goes into ETFs, split between growth and dividend funds. Crypto isn't for everyone, but ignoring it completely might mean missing out. In 2025, experts predict Bitcoin could reach between $113,000 and $150,000. Ethereum? Still the backbone of decentralized apps. The key is, keep it small. 10% of your portfolio or less. For Alex, that's $70 in Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. You could also explore fractional gold. Some platforms let you invest as little as $50. It's a way to balance digital risk with real-world stability. So here's Alex's final portfolio. 30% safe assets, $300. 40% ETFs, $400. 20% individual growth stocks, $200. 10% crypto or gold, $100. Safe enough to protect his capital. Smart enough to grow steadily. Flexible enough to capture big opportunities. And remember, the amount isn't what matters most. It's the habit. If you can invest $1,000 once, you can invest $100 every month after. That's how wealth is built, step by step. So now you know how to invest $1,000 in 2025. Question for you: if you had $1,000 today, where would you put it? Drop your answer in the comments, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips.